Meaning of Dunnet Head.
Dunnet Head.
Dunnet Head.
Dunnet Head.
Dunnet Head. Dunnet Head is a location on the north coast of Scotland, near the town of Thurso. It is the most northerly point of mainland Britain, and offers stunning coastal views of the Pentland Firth and Orkney Islands. It is also home to a lighthouse, built in 1831, which is still in operation today. The area is popular with visitors for its rugged natural beauty and opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking and birdwatching. Overall, Dunnet Head is a significant landmark and attraction in the Scottish Highlands.